Good evening, students. Welcome to my channel once again for the NEET physics class, chapter number 4, alternating current. Today is 4th February 2025. I request once again, please subscribe my channel and like also for the benefits of both yourself and myself. My benefit for my encouragement and your benefit. Daily you will be getting the lecture. The same chapter number 4 is in continuation. Today we will discuss about circuit parameters or circuit elements. Basically, there are three parameters or elements of the circuit. One is resistance, or it is also a resistor. Inductance, the second one, or it will be also called as the inductor. Capacitance, capacitor. Then the individual property of each parameter or element we will discuss in detail. By definition, the resistance is what? A property of the element which opposes the flow of current through it will be called as the resistance. And the element will be possessing or existing its appearance, that is the resistor. Similarly here, the inductor will be having its existence physically. Then what about the inductance? It is geometrical or physical property. Similarly, the capacitor will be also having its existence, but in capacitor will be having the existence, whereas the capacitance is the geometrical property of the capacitor. So every element, whether it is resistor or inductor or capacitor, they will be having the natural property of opposing the flow of current through it. So here it will be called as the resistance, which will be measured in ohm. Here, with the help of this inductance, you will be finding the XL, inductive reactance it is, that is also measured in ohm. And capacitance, with the help of the geometrical property, you will be denoting XC, which is also measured in ohm. They are similar to each other. But here, resistor will be having the in-phase property, whereas the inductance or inductor will be having the out-of-phase lagging property, and capacitance or capacitor will be having out-of-phase leading property. So these properties will be discussed in detail one by one when they are subjected to alternating current or alternating voltage. Suppose as here resistance of the resistor is connected across AC supply, voltage and current will be in phase with each other, and the angle subtended between the voltage and current will be 0 degree. Whereas in case of the pure inductance, current will be lagging the voltage exactly by 90 degree in case if it is pure. But in case of the capacitance, as the capacitor, current is leading the voltage by 90 degree. So this is the general discussion that I have given you. But individually we will discuss one by one what happens if the resistor is connected across the AC supply. Similarly, inductance or the inductor capacitance or capacitor, if they are individually connected across the AC supply. So we will discuss the properties. Properties in the sense, what about the current, how it is, whether it is in phase or lagging or leading, why, reason, then whether the ohmic power each element will be dissipating, or otherwise the power which is dissipated in the individual element will be different, and all we can discuss in the next class. Here it is already mentioned, this is especially made for NEET or JEE physics students who are appearing for the NEET or JEE examination. Thank you.